So when you left and you went to PDP Laban, no? PDP
Yes,
Laban,
yes.
tama. It's, how did you tell Vice President Sara Duterte or even former President Duterte, alam mo, maglalakas loob ako, lalabanan ko si Gwen Garcia. Sinabi ba nila, Pam, di mo kaya yan. Ba't mo gagawin yan? How did you do that?
It started with a siege sa KOJC, no? So, ang dami mga rallies noon. And that time, I was active with Maisog, that group of Vic Garcia, because if you remember, Vic Garcia was also, Vic Rodriguez was also with PFP before. So he was my boss when I was with PFP. So we left around the same time. So that's what it is. Yeah. So yun, I was very active and I was in the rallies in Luwasang Bonifacio, if you remember that. So doon ako nakikita ng mga taga PDP. So they asked me, why don't you run for governor of Cebu? So doon yun na-start na-discover ako sa taga PDP. So they endorsed me
and is it fair to say, kasi wala ring kandidato na ang PDP laban na maglalakas loob, labanan si Gwen Garcia?
Correct. So that's why